Well, I'm about to go and pick up a new engine. Have to take a tractor this time. I got a small trailer on the back. You see it's a bit pathetic, but it'll do the job. So I think we'll go. Well, I got the engine back now, and if you don't know already, it's a Lister LD1, dated 1959. I bought this from a farm sale yesterday, in auction, and I was the first and only bidder at 20 quid, so it's not too bad. It is C-solid though, but I thought this engine was on a milking machine, which was for sale next to the engine itself. But my second cousin was talking to the man that used to own this engine, and he said it was fitted to a starter-matic generating set, which would explain the revs the engine's supposed to do. It's 3.5 horsepower at 1800 revs, so it's quite a fast engine. Might be able to get some governor springs to slow this one down. I'm not too sure what this side plate's for. It's got this like movers and oil filter or something. Someone will tell me. Yeah, it's not too bad shape really. Apparently it's been in a shed, but your decompressor lever is a bit bent, but I can sort that out. In there it isn't looking too bad. You can see that. It's nice and good in there. But yeah, that's my new engine. So look out for another video on this soon. Thanks for watching.